The wealth gap is widening every single day, and if you aren't positioned in the right assets right now, you are effectively choosing to be left behind while the biggest transfer in wealth history unfolds in front of your eyes. I'm going to show you 3 very specific tickers that are currently coiled like a spring and sitting at institutional floors that most retail traders are too terrified to touch, even though these companies are literally and fundamentally juggernauts. By the end of this video, you won't just have a list, you will have a roadmap to explosive growth and the psychological edge to buy when the world is selling, because I'm breaking down the exact cash flow surges, dark pool levels that the big banks are trying to hide from you. We are talking about the undisputed king of AI scaling, a fintech giant that just had record profitability, and a semiconductor play that is the secret backbone of the next industrial revolution. Before we dive into today's video, I have a huge announcement. I am bringing back my masterclass webinar, first time in almost 3 months. Every student that has ever been a part of my webinar has told me they've learned more in the 1 hour with me than anywhere else. You guys won't want to miss out on this. I'll be teaching dark pool activity. I'll be analyzing stocks, showing you guys technical analysis and how hedge funds move in silence so you guys can track better entries and understand the market. I'm going to be pulling the curtain back on the dark pool and hedge fund strategies to show you exactly what you've been missing. And honestly, I don't know how many more of these I'm going to be doing. I wasn't even going to do this one, but with the market the way it is and the opportunity here, I wanted to bring more training to you guys. You do not want to miss out. It is this Saturday, May 16th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. The link to register is below. Very limited spots. Every single webinar that I do, every single webinar that I've done, there are thousands and thousands of students emailing me a day or two before, and we are full. I cannot take any more, and they end up missing out. I'm very limited on spots. Do not miss out. The link to register for this webinar is below. I will have a huge announcement during the webinar. I'll be answering your questions. I'll also have a Q&A section so you can ask me questions, and I have a huge announcement and opportunity for you guys. You don't want to miss out on that. Remember, the link to register for the webinar is below. Let's dive back into these stocks, and remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock, and be sure to protect your capital. Be safe, as the market is very risky and there's no guarantees. Do your due diligence and make sure these stocks fit your personal goals and needs. The number 3 stock to look at to potentially add to your portfolio right now is none other than Navitas Semiconductor. Navitas is the stealth play of the semiconductor world, specializing in gallium nitride, GaN, and SiC, silicon carbide technology, which are significantly more effective than traditional silicon. They are the backbone for AI data centers and the EV charging, raising their Q2 guidance as the world demands faster, smaller, cooler power delivery. While the top line growth is currently being stress tested, the fundamental why is simple. They are the next generation power leader in a market that is rapidly electrifying, and their recent design win backlog suggests a massive ramp up is coming. We are seeing a major capitulation phase here, with the stock testing its historic floors, but the institutional interest is quietly mounting, with firms like RFG Advisory and Invesco recently adding significant stakes. The floor is being set right now between $10 and $11 range as the market washes out the weak hands before the next leg up, and with analysts like Needham and Baird recently slapping price targets as high as $20 to $21 on this name, the implied upside from the current levels is still astronomical for those with patience to hold through the noise. The future of Navitas lies in the data center boom, where power efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a requirement for survival. As AI chips get hungrier for power, Navitas GaN fast technology becomes the only viable solution, meaning their cash flow is expected to flip from burn to beauty as they scale. This is a classic buy the blood scenario, where you're getting a seat at the table before the mass market realization of how vital this company is to the tech ecosystem. And remember what I said before I started talking about Navitas. If this confuses you and you don't understand when to get in or how to get in any of these stocks that I'm talking about, be sure to be at my webinar and register for this Saturday, May 16th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. The link to register is below. The number 2 stock to potentially add to your portfolio, none other than SoFi. SoFi has officially evolved from a struggling SPAC into a powerhouse financial institution, recently reporting a record profitability with a net income surging over $166 million. They're no longer just a student loan company, and I've been telling you guys this for a long time. They are no longer just a student loan company. They are a diversified digital bank with a capital light model through their Galileo platform, which is basically the AWS of fintech. This shift to high profitability, durable profits, while simultaneously growing their member base This is exactly what institutions look for before major re-rating. We also have to sit here and talk about a lot of the other issues going on with SoFi, the public offering at $27.50, which kind of pushed the stock down, increased short positions. But remember, when you increase short positions on a stock, specifically like SoFi or GameStop, you're just going to have a larger short squeeze when the positive catalyst hits. And with the potential addition to the S&P 500 during the rebalance, which is more likely to happen in September than July, or maybe even potentially going into November and end of year when they do the last rebalance at the end of the year, this is likely to happen. And not only that, when interest rates potentially get cut, which may be way later in the year at this point, but when it does happen, that'll also help SoFi pretty tremendously. Now, the capitulation on SoFi has been long and painful for many. We are finally seeing a floor solidify around the $14 to $16 level, where the risk to reward ratio becomes skewed heavily in favor of the bull. Institutional ownership remains robust as big players realize that SoFi's cost of equity is dropping as their deposit base grows. And analysts are starting to see this. The vision is coming up pretty strong for the bull case. Fair value targets reaching up to the $22 to $26 range in the next 3 to 6 months, suggesting that we are at the very beginning of a massive fundamental breakout on SoFi. The future of SoFi is about total financial ecosystem dominance, and by capturing the high-earning Henry, the high-earner, not rich yet demographic, and cross-selling them everything from mortgages to credit cards, they're building a moat that traditional legacy banks simply can't compete with. The cash flow trajectory is pretty clear here. As they continue to turn rapid digital growth into high margin profit, the market will eventually have no choice but to reward the stock with a much higher multiple. And like I've said many times, if you guys want to understand these moves and you want to understand how to get in before it's too late, and you don't want to miss out on making big profits on stocks that are likely to run because you're too afraid to buy the blood, and maybe you don't understand how to do it. Well, I was broke, bankrupt just 7 years ago, and trading changed my life. So I set out on a journey to help others. I was raised Catholic. My parents were hard on me to do the right thing whenever I could. I'm not perfect, made a lot of mistakes, but I've worked hard. And when I achieved my success, I set out to help others achieve success just like I have. And over the past 3 years, I have taught over 3,000 students, and I've turned many people into millionaires, and I've changed so many lives, and it's what drives me every single day. Would love to help you achieve the same goals. If you guys want to learn how I grew my $250,000 account to 1.7 million in just over a year, and my micro challenge account, which I used to launch my 10 trade challenge, which we are crushing right now. And I grew that account from $900 to almost $8,000 in the same time frame, 1 year. And you can see the profits my students are making right there. If you guys want to learn my system and you guys want to understand how to do this the right way, I would love to help you. My masterclass webinar is returning this Saturday, May 16th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. You do not want to miss out. Very limited spots. I'll be answering your questions. I'll be teaching my strategies, dark pool strategies, hedge fund strategies, technical analysis, my AVP, my D-Stochastics RSI, and I'll be showing you what you're missing out on. The link to register is below. Very limited spots. You don't want to miss out on this. I'll have a huge announcement. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday. The number one stock to potentially add to your portfolio is none other than Palantir. Palantir is the undisputed king of this list, recently delivering what can be described as the strongest quarter in its history as a public company. With revenue growing 85% year over year and U.S. commercial revenue exploding by 133%, they aren't just participating in the AI revolution, they're the ones operationalizing it. Their artificial intelligence platform AIP is seeing unprecedented adoption through their boot camps, which is effectively a customer acquisition machine that competitors just can't match. And despite the beat and raise causing a temporary post-earnings dip, this is exactly where smart money buys the gap fill and looks for the floor. The institutional ownership is heavy and getting heavier because Palantir's adjusted free cash flow hit a staggering $925 million with a 57% margin. This isn't a speculative tech stock anymore. This is a cash flow printing press with $8 billion in the bank and zero debt, making it one of the most resilient balance sheets in the entire market. The future of Palantir is essentially becoming an operating system for the modern enterprise and the U.S. government. As a rule of 40 score sits around a mind-blowing 145%, the efficiency and scaling power of this company are in a league of their own. Analysts are starting to model long-term targets as high as $500 by 2030, representing a potential 240% upside from the current price. And I told my Discord to buy this stock and YouTube when it was $15 just over a year and a half ago. This is the stock that defines this decade, and catching it at these institutional levels is a potential generational wealth opportunity. So just understand, we're standing at a crossroads where you can either be a spectator or a participant in this market's growth. Palantir, SoFi, Navitas aren't just tickers. They are the engines of the future economy, and they are currently offering entries that we may never see again. Remember, the market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient, and from the uninformed to the prepared. Don't let FOMO be your guide. Let data, cash flow, and institutional levels lead the way. And remember, I have my free masterclass webinar this Saturday, May 16th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific time. Don't let this pass you by. The link to register is below. Don't let these opportunities slip away from you before it's too late. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the webinar. One love, fam.